This will be an overview of the Power BI dashboard the Innovation Lab has created to visualize query data from Google Search Console's API. Here in our first tab, we've visualized all the data from a SQL Server table, which stores our query data. Note that we've been able to extract an organic search query and its resulting landing page from the Search Console API. We can also see the device the search was performed on and from which country. There are also details on the clicks, impressions, click-through rate, and position of the landing page. In our Overview tab, we've further visualized this data using a variety of pre-existing visualizations and some from Power BI Visuals app source, including force-directed graph and word cloud. With the force-directed graph, we can visualize what queries were performed in what country, and the more times that the query has been made, the thicker the connections. We visualize query string frequency with word cloud. More significant the word, the bigger the word shows. We check the click-through rate with a tree map and use a pie chart to visualize the devices queries were performed on. We also have a stacked bar chart to collate the standard metrics that assess landing pages. Using Power BI, we can single out the pieces of information to take a closer look. In our last tab, we've visualized the relationship between landing pages and the query that was used to direct an individual there. Here, the connections depict the number of clicks a query generated a particular web page, and of course, we can take a closer look. And this was a short demonstration of Google Search Console's API with Power BI.